We're at the Hershey RV Campground Resort, and we're
heading to the show.
Heading to the show. It's Thursday. This is probably our last day going to the show, but I think we'll have a little more time today. And there's a shuttle from here to the show, which is very convenient. And it's kind of a cool campground, except a lot of the spots where big rigs fit don't have sewer hookups. We do have a dump station, so we utilized that a few days ago. And I'll do some video kind of walking around. I don't know, maybe later today or tomorrow. Tomorrow we got to pack up and go to the Hershey Road campground because I could not get spots here over the weekend.
What light?
Right there?
Oh yeah. Some are in their wrappers and some are. Because some have the little.
Day 3. Are we RV'd out yet?
Yeah, we're getting there. This might be our last and final day.
Yes.
Well, technically it is because we're gonna have to move.
We're gonna have to move. We probably won't check back. We'll go check out the Brinkley display at the General RV in Elizabethtown.
Yeah, maybe tomorrow.
Probably on, well, yeah, Friday or Saturday.
Yeah.
And today we're gonna get a mini golf cart.
What?
We're gonna get a mini golf cart to go with our mini Starlink.
Wait, don't you mean one of those foldable ones?
Yeah.
Yep.
Wait.
Yeah, there is a line
No,
to get in
today
here.
we're going to look at unique RVs.
More unique RVs. I know Otto wants to see more of those Super Cs. Tight security here.
I know, but
Security at the RV show.
there wasn't this much people yesterday.
Well, we got here at like 6:30.
We got here when people are going home. So go to Brinkley.
Oh, today you want to go get swag?
Maybe see if they have any swag. I don't know.
Okay.
RV locks.
Oh yeah, RV
Hopefully
locks.
It's a good price.
Oh yeah, I forgot to look online to see what their regular price is.
See if there's any wheeling and dealing on the golf cart.
And a mini golf cart.
Maybe. I don't know.
Oh yeah.
Wait, are we
Pretty sure we
not?
need
Well,
another
first
golf
we
cart.
all have to sit in it to see if we even fit. Today is kids' choice at the RV show.
There's another semi.
I know, that's a pretty one, right?
Let's go see that one.
Yeah, let's see the semi.
All right, let's go see. Yeah, this one looks interesting as
Wait,
well.
what do I do?
The pen, you want me to put it in my bag?
Okay.
Okay, so this is Renegade.
Mama, can you put this stuff in your bag?
Oh, why? You're gonna have to get a swag bag for this stuff. So here's the price. Whoops, let me. It's, I mean, the price of a house.
Look, there is built-in
The
stuff.
price of a very nice house, actually.
Yeah.
Oh, man.
I think it's more than we picked.
Wow, that's a pretty fridge, isn't it?
How come I can't open it?
Oh, there
I
you go.
can.
That is like
Wow.
fanciest fridge I've seen.
What else?
Smells good in here too.
Here's a washer. Here's a
Oh,
washer.
this shows you what's inside.
There's,
Maybe?
Mama, it comes with
TV
a
goes
washer
up and down.
and dryer.
Oh, good. This is
Yeah.
really pretty.
Yeah, that's nice.
Nice finishes.
And then
We should.
Now, what do we have going on here?
see?
This is the induction.
Oh,
I like how they did that.
induction
Yeah, will you pull that off? That's really nice because then you can put,
Yeah.
so they recessed it in the counter. You can put that on there so you still use your smart. I like that a lot.
And another cutting board.
There's like a
Oh,
big
these
cutting
are-
board.
It's a nice big counter.
Or it doesn't really look
really-
like a cutting board.
Okay, I'll come
It just
see.
says home is
Has a
where
really
you
nice
park
backsplash.
it. Okay,
that
now
fridge.
let's look into Super C.
Okay, hold on. I didn't quite wait. Should we look at the bathroom? And then what is this? This touch screen looks nice.
No shower.
Oh, there must be a shower somewhere around
Where's
here.
the shower?
There's another bathroom. Okay, so this is a half.
Is there a shower?
Oh, I think that's so people don't lay all over it.
Mama, there's a shower here with a whole bunch of things.
Okay, let's see.
Top, this one, this.
Oh yeah, it's got the like body jets. This is very residential, I think.
Wow.
So there's a full bath back here and a half
And look, it even has
there.
washer and dryer.
Excuse me, and a washer dryer.
It even has
Uh-oh, I'm gonna get stuck. Okay.
Yeah. All right, buddy, let's go look at the
Well, so the show price is
what?
only
644.
$644,000.
Okay, Otto, this way.
So this is 2025 Renegade Classic 629590.
Look. So this has the bunk option.
Okay, hold on. There's a loft. Like, I don't think there was a loft in the other one unless I totally missed it.
No. Lola.
Okay, let me see.
Gigi, Lola, me.
Loft. Or, sorry, bunks. Can't talk now.
And then
At least there's a door here.
Watch your dryer, bud.
But
Look, you guys get your own full bath.
similar floor plan.
Yeah. Full bath.
This shelf.
I don't know how
It
they're.
almost has more than the first one we saw.
I don't know how they're fitting all of this in here.
We get our own shop. Or
I feel like the loft over the cab in this one is definitely more roomy
that's
than
all.
a lot of
That's
them.
all the way it
Has
goes.
more headspace.
That's that much as it goes.
These are pretty.
There's
Like the
lights
finishes aren't as
here.
nice as that
As the
one.
other one,
Look, there's
the floor
lights
plan
right
is
here.
But this is more,
And
family friendly.
yeah.
The floor
I
plan.
changed the color.
Wow, nice.
That's what you would do.
401 CRB.
Spooky Halloween music.
That's funny.
Or no, it's not Halloween music. It's just a TV. The TV's behind you.
It's just an old show.
Yes. Weird music. Oh, there. Oh, there. Wait, Papa.
This one's in between, like
Wait,
it has.
Papa, what light was it?
Yeah, they're kind of.
Papa, what light did you do?
RGB setup.
Oh,
Floor plan is
No
flipped.
bunks in this one.
Right, but it has a loft.
One.
It's this.
Okay.
Yeah, that other one's pretty spacious.
Choose one color. That color? Okay, that's good.
You take this and pull that up for the loft.
Okay. I think the bed raises. There's the ghost.
It does. So both models have AC on the top. Yeah, so this doesn't have a top.
That took like an hour.
What did you say, Otto?
He said it took an hour
It took an hour to find
It
it.
took like an hour to find
to get there. The Silverado?
Oh yeah, it's the
Chassis?
65 chassis.
I didn't know that was a thing.
Yeah.
Okay, so here we are. Ghost.
The front looks good. A full bath in here. It's a full bath in here.
Okay, we'll come see. What a nice fridge.
Then a bed. Look, it's
Good AC.
Mama, look,
Okay.
it's a full bath back.
Sure is. Yeah, full bath. It's kind of a smaller Class A.
Yeah. Yeah, it's not. It's pretty good size. This would be like where your
It's kind of pretty.
parents-
Yeah, if you don't want a giant Class A,
Yeah.
but you still want to
Hey,
relax.
plenty of room.
The
Still
front doesn't
got-
look too big either, because you know some. Wait, is this an A or this is a?
It's a C,
It's a C.
but it's not a.
It's not a super
I don't
C.
think it's a super C.
No, it is.
I think it's
Oh.
a medium C.
A medium. Let me see.
What's a medium C?
It's a.
What's a medium C?
It's an international chassis. It's an internet. No, oh, it's a Delaware dealer, so no sales tax. Okay, go ahead, Otto. More going on in here than I would have
Bitty TV.
expected.
I would like to see inside these.
It's actually pretty impressive.
There's even a TV.
I can't think about the fact that it's just
Mama,
on
look,
stilts, though.
It's a baby TV.
I mean, it's almost a full.
Mama, look at the baby TV.
Yeah,
Yes.
this is kind of
They
impressive.
just
It's definitely more than I expected.
I mean,
I have to imagine it's not just hanging over thin air right there. Because that kind of makes
it's
me
a, I mean,
nervous.
it's a decent toilet. I mean, you're gonna shower.
Yeah, it's basically a wet head,
Yeah.
like in a boat.
it's shaking.
Yeah, it is shaky.
That's why
Okay.
we should.
These things.
It looks small.
Yeah. I like this one. It's pretty.
This is very nice.
It has dishwasher.
Huge kitchen.
Yeah.
This is nice. A pretty big fridge.
It's all kitchen.
It's all kitchen and living. Yeah.
This is and then the bedroom's back there. The freezer is big.
A new version that we have coming out in the next 1 to 2
It's
months.
not that
So
big.
it's not available right now.
We could have like a blow up couch in our.
A model of it right there.
Do you go to the military bases to?
Yeah. Well, it's a bumper pull, so it's shorter than the fifth wheels. It's still pretty roomy. The slides are pretty big. Look at that.
Okay.
I don't know.
I'll let you out first.
2670. Look at this one. Yeah, this one's nice. 2670. Seen these with these tiny little doors and wondered what the little doors were for.
Like when we were at
That's
can we go in there?
it's Papa's escape hatch.